I got this car last week, and the first thing I wanted to do was not get it started. The first thing I wanted to do was clean the dashboard, clean the interior. Redo the seats. Look at the door handles. They're all crusty. But the dashboard, you know, is sitting. The windows rolled up. A little rusty. There's some of that rust over here. But I got out my rubbing compound and cleaned off most of that stuff. Clean off too much, won't have anything left. Mirror needs cleaning. Oh, it's rusty. Those bezels, oh man, they're just so rusty. The first thing I did actually was got the ashtray to move. Took it out, cleaned it, took that off, cleaned it, buffed it. Now I gotta do the scariest part, and that is take the seats out. They've been mouse eaten, and I'm afraid I'm gonna find something that I don't want to find in there besides dirty seats. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That's the same ashtray as in my Powell. It's got the V8, factory V8. And he had the 2-barrel carburetor rebuilt by the place, the shop in White City, Oregon. The radiator needs gone through, and he said the battery's only 2 years old, but I probably want to convert it to 12 volts anyway. There's the best part right there. I need another grill. I need a right side grill. I got a nice left side grill. And he must have replaced the headlight bezels because they're shiny, and there's a pair of junk ones in the trunk. I still got the generator. Alright, that's it. I gotta go. Alright, so I got most of the interior out. And the floors look really solid. And I peeled out the tar paper that was in there. Still got to get the armrests out. And then everybody says, be careful, because of the hantavirus. Hanta. It's a virus. But according to YouTube, it only comes from deer mice. But there must be something else nasty that I can get from rat turds. Definitely got to vacuum this stuff out. So what I did was I devised a plan so I can, I think, safely vacuum. My DeWalt vac and my respirator and my safety glasses and my rubber gloves with talcum powder inside, because I hate rubber gloves without talcum powder. And then I went and got 30 feet of 1.5 inch ABS tubing, maybe? Yeah, I don't know, it's gray. But we're gonna plug it in, and it plugs in perfectly to the exhaust port of my vacuum cleaner. So I think we'll just blow all the stuff out that they say don't vacuum outside and with the door shut. All right, there it is. It's plugged in. And goes all the way out there. So at least 20 feet past my garage door. All right, and you men with beards, you can't wear a respirator. Stuff will suck around the rubber up against your face. So if you got a beard, I don't know what to tell you. The vacuum's clogged up. Got the armrests out. It doesn't ever get any better looking. A big pile behind that one, and virtually nothing behind this one. Where is it? Alright, so I found out if I take off 2 of the 10-foot lengths and just ran to 1 outside the door, the vacuum cleaner worked really good. And I was able to get everything from inside the car. Rust, there is some rust. It's not much, it's just scaly rust up here. I got all the rat turds out. Really want to get all the interior stuff taken out before I put it on the lift and work on the brakes. I got brake parts today. Still waiting for brake parts from Rock Auto. And then if anybody has, and I need these items, those bezels, or complete gauges, I don't care. And these chrome pot metal pieces that run along the bottom of the dashboard. I'm supposed to be getting another radio that's in good shape. And that one, ashtray, the cigarette lighter, the radio. Well, the radio's coming, like I said. I'd like to get a clock for that hole right there, even though I do like the word Studebaker. Speedometer bezel needs replaced. So, if anybody has any of those used that have decent chrome, I'd like to buy them. So now I got to get the rest of the headliner stuff out. But what I want to do is clean the floor and everything where the rat turd with Clorox cleaner and a brush. And then after that, I want to use Pour 15 and Pour 15 the floor. Ah, it's still liquid. Score, but it's black. That one's black. I wonder if I can get it in colors. Anyway, brush it on, cures. It looks great. It's gonna go underneath. Won't be able to see it anyway, but it'll protect the floor from future rust. The interior is out being redone. I need this wing window. That's it for now. I'm tired, I'm going to bed.